Hey there, today we'll be doing this question that appeared in Leetcode weekly contest 336 2587 rearrange array to maximize prefix score. So the given question statement is you are given a zero indexed integer array nums. You can rearrange the elements of nums to any order. Let prefix be the array containing the prefix sum of nums after rearranging it. In other words, prefix of I is the sum of elements from 0 to I in nums. After rearranging it, the score of nums is the number of positive integer in the array prefix. Return the maximum score you can achieve. So the whole question statement is this much, and let's understand the question statement better. So what they have said is that we'll be given some nums array right here, and in that nums array, what we can do is we can rearrange all the elements in any order that we want to. And after we have arranged all the elements in any order as we like to, we can sum up all the elements as we want, and we can see how many positive elements are there. So let's take an example right here. So let's just say the array given to us is something like -4, 10, 1, 0, and 2. So this is our array that is given to us right now. Now what can we do? That is, we can rearrange all the elements, and we'll be rearranging all the elements in descending order. And why so? We'll understand this just in a minute after we rearrange this in a descending order. So this is how the array elements will look like after rearranging them in a descending order. Okay, now why have we done this? Now they have said in the question that we need to make sure that the summation, that is the prefix, comes out to be positive, and how many positive elements are there. So what does prefix means? Prefix means at index 0, let's just write the indexes as well. Prefix means nothing but the sum till 0 index, after that sum till 0 to 1, 0 to 2, and so on till the last one. That is the summation till that index. That means if I say what is the prefix sum of index 2, that means I'll take everything starting from 0 till index 2. That is what my prefix sum will tell us. Okay, so right here we can see that we can just take a greedy approach. That means try to maximize the sum. That means if I take a prefix sum of this, now prefix sum at 0 will be 10, the next one will be 12, this will be 13, this will be again 13, and after that this comes out to be 9, right? So we see that rearranging it in a descending manner gives us a positive element of all the elements. Now what if we had sorted this in a uh, increasing manner, that means from small to big? Now you'll see obviously that will be wrong. And why so? Because we are just decreasing our chances of getting more numbers. That means if I just sort it in this manner, just the ascending manner, we are obviously losing one of our answers right here, because the prefix sum will come out to be what? It will come out to be something like this, -3, and then it will come out to be -1, and then obviously we'll be going on to this. So yeah, so we understand that sorting in descending fashion is obviously the better one, a greedy approach, and this can be proved right here by this one. So this is all for this approach. You just have to make sure that you sort it in the descending manner. This right here, you take the answer in long fashion, that is the summation, as we are doing. That is, every time we are going to index, we are adding the summations, right? We're just adding the summation. You have to make sure it is in long. Why so? Because the numbers, if you see, can be very large, and the summation can go very large. If you do not take it integer, it will just show you an error, that is integer overflow. So that is why you should just take a long variable wherein you are storing your sum. You're just adding everything up, and if the summation is greater than 0, that means the number is greater than 0, we'll take a count variable and we just store it there, and we return count at the end of the day. So this is the whole code walkthrough also for this approach right here.